Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smothered chicken. You will need 1 pound of chicken thighs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and vegetable oil for frying. In a small dish, add your paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now add the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Season your chicken with 1/2 of your seasoning mixture. Now add the other half of your seasoned mixture to your flour and whisk until well incorporated. Lightly coat your chicken with the flour, then place them on a wire rack. Add your oil to the pan using medium-high heat, bring to temperature. Now cook your chicken for 8 minutes to brown, then remove them from the pan and set them aside until later. Remove most of the oil from your pan, leaving about 3 tablespoons. Now saute your onions for 2 minutes. Now add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional minute. Now add 3 tablespoons of your seasoned flour to the pan, then whisk until it starts to brown. Pour in your chicken broth and continue to whisk, and bring your liquid to a light simmer. Return your chicken to the pan, cover, then allow it to cook for an additional 15 minutes.
It sound right, boys.
After 15 minutes, your chicken is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and comment in the section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.